Good afternoon. It's really pleasure here to be here today. I'm Horace from Felicitysolar's AI department, and I'm pleased to be here to introduce our next AI engine management platform, Felux. Before we dive in, let me start why we built this. Over the past year, three things have been happening at the same time. First, engine storage is scaling fast. In 2025, the world had 112 gigabytes of new storage, increased around 48%. Storage isn't just another product category anymore, it's becoming the infrastructure. Second, AI is actually getting shape. You can see Stanford this year that 88% of enterprises put AI into their real business workflow. So AI is no longer just a demo, it's brought into people's life. Third, users get more demanding. 40% of smart home users now use the automatic engine management service. People are no longer just a system developer, they want the system to make the call. So put all these three together, and what you really have is attention. And the system can be more complex, but the user expects to be simpler. So here is our take. The answer at this point is not a dashboard. The answer is the real AI engine platform, one that can forecast, optimize, and act on your behalf. That's what Felix is here to do. So why Felux? It's simple. We came from Felicitysolar, and Lux is loving the light. So we want to build a platform that can bring AI into the human people's life and bring the light in their home. So that and become their home engine pilot. So how does Felux work? Three layers. The bottom is forecast, eBay generation, load price, 24 hours rolling forecast, and you can cover all your today. The middle is events. We have two layers. The global planning will optimize your engine plan for the full day, and the response will adjust the plan during the condition. So the top layer is agent. We build an agent cluster, not just one agent. We have a control agent, analyze agent, another suggestion agent, and advisor agent. So let's start the scene layer. The forecast is hard because there is no single model to handle the three conditions: the full day trade, the peak hours, and the short-term peak. So we didn't rely on just one model. We combined three models instead of betting on one. We also put some effort in below two things. First, peak period forecast training. Because traditional model always underestimates the forecast during the peak hours. So we put more training on this and fixes this problem. Because the peak hours are always the time when the sale begins. Third, we class our cluster into different patterns. Some new users just plug in our system that have no data, so we cannot provide an accurate forecast. But if the user can class with some similar user patterns, and they can get more accurate forecast. So that's here what we want to do. So next is the EMS. We have two panels. One for global thinking. It will compute the full day engine management plan, including your PV, load, EV, and the forecast, and whatever. And also in the second layer, in smart risk layer, because in the full day something may happen, something like the cloud ruining, and something like your EV plugging at home earlier. So this small change will trigger instant response and to retune the plan in the next 4 hours. So we want our Felux EMS plan every day and react every second. So how will that work? So we actually compare our Felix EMS with the traditional EMS with the rule-based EMS. And we can see the same hardware, the same consumption rate increase about 13%, feeding cell increase about 32%, and the battery recycle will downgrade 22%. So same hardware but smarter display, we get more visible return. So this is how Felix EMS wants to make it for custom. So this is about the agent. When we build the agent, we didn't want to just make some chatbot. So we built 4 agents. The care agent can handle the daily question. Analyze agent can read the real-time agent flow and give you some suggestions. The advisor agent can generate the 7 teams and service them in the app. And the control agent can change the strategy, switch model, power your device after your approval. So if you actually don't talk to a chatbot, you are directing an expert team for your home engine. So for the agent to be useful, we believe the agent need to do this below 3 things. First, remember, you need to understand which device you are using. You need to understand what kind of model you prefer to apply. And the agent need to see as well. When you ask how much PV will generate today, so it will really check the live data for real and give you the results. And the agent need to be act as well on your behalf, because if you want agent to change the model, to help you to power on power the device, you need to be able to help you to do this. So actually, the good agent must be able to memory, see, to act for you. So let's look into a picture about the real home household and look through the 24-hour full day to understand how our Felix EMS agent and the forecaster collaborate today. So in the midnight, the family is asleep, and our EMS will generate the full day plan set for tomorrow. So in the morning, the room begins generating. So and the PV generation just write down the PV forecast curve. So in the afternoon, suddenly the cloud will in and the PV downgrades the generation, and the response layer will be triggered and adjust the plan. So when the user comes home, and you can ask how much PV will generate today and how much do I save today. So our analysis suggestion as an analysis agent will give you the results. And finally, when you go to sleep, our advice suggestion will give you some saving tips. So this is how our Felix agent guarding your home agent every day. Everything we build as a platform is really here to answer this question you ask every single day. Should I charge tomorrow? So our forecast help you to see clear. How to save the most tonight? Our EMS help you optimize. How much SOC to keep tonight? Our agent gets you. We are not adding more data. We are helping people to make few decisions. So how does this capability reach the user? It's through our app Solar. By going forward, Solar isn't just be a monitoring dashboard powered by Felix agents. It will step into become an AI native engine manager. There are 3 words we care about: immersive, intelligence, rewarding. So let me unpack each of them. Start with immersive. When you open Solar Home tab, you don't see a wall chart. You will see your real 3D house, everything with weather and time of the day, morning sunlight, left light on the rainy night. We want our user to feel it's simple. This is an engine that breaks. Next, intelligence. The AI system Felix give you isn't 1, it's 2. Felix can direct, efficient, zooming, warm nature to have warm response. So they have same smart engine brain, but the two voice switch by one tap. Why two? It's simple. Because for the same question, some people want the conclusion and evidence, but other people want to be company, want to be book through, rather than just build one compromise and please the one. So you can see to the same question, different me and Felix, we have very different answers for it. We also influence our personality for the agent and surprise you. So intelligence, the second level of intelligence is bring the Felicitysolar platform capability running to the app. So in the left part, you can see this is the PV forecast, this is the load forecast. You can see your past hours and your future hours. And the right is our AI model. So you can have it decide is a perfect priority or semi priority, and all you decide is just apply the factor and make the system make the decision for you. So for the forecast fast and action follows. So this is how our ability reach the customer. The third level of intelligence is suggestion. When you see the home page, you can see our AI will push the 17 to the customer. So for example here, the AI suggests customer to switch to the battery charge first, and you will get additional 8.3% energy. And you can even ask to switch to the storage priority model, and it will help you switch the model to the battery priority. So AI simplified, user can ask less. So this is how our Felix suggested agents help you to do. Finally, rewarding. When you open the value tab, you can see that your company and your view. You can also see how much does the AI model earn for you. You can also see where your energy gone, like where PV generation gone and where your battery electricity gone. So we want our customers to see every kilowatt and also understand every dollar. So here I would like to use the video to summarize the Felix capability here. Okay, so let me close with what's coming next. So today here I'm pleased to announce the Felux, and we will do some integration with our remaining device in the next 2 or 4 months. And also, we will integrate at scale and to expand our scenarios from the home to the CNI. And we will also do some pilot development in some key overseas markets. So in the 2027, and we will integrate with VPP and we will build our Felix power device system. So we are not adding an AI capability into our app. We are building the app on our Felix platform. So third is scaling and AI is getting real, and the user is expecting more from energy. Felix is Felicitysolar's answer to all of it. We will have some live Felix platform and episode apps running in our booth, and this time and we can try. And thank you all. Thank you.